and it's my pleasure to have this tutorial brought to you. We will have 4 speakers today, one of whom is coming a little bit later, but in time for his part of the presentation. The 4 speakers, myself, as well as Cary, Snyder, Raghu, and Yogendra, Shah. It's my pleasure to bring this panel to you. Prominent, experienced engineers and practitioners in the field and industry of 3G, 4G, 5G over the last few decades. So I'll just give a quick introduction for each one, and then let each person present their material. By the way, we will have this material online in a couple of different ways, I think. DesignCon will have one probably, but if you would like to receive a link to this, Bridget can pass around a list for you to fill out for your email so that we can send it to you later. So, without further ado, my name is Ghobad Heidari. I'm the founder and president of GHP Intellect, a full-service IP design and consulting services company. We have over 300 experts in various high-tech and scientific fields, and we provide services to IP professionals and design houses for designing various systems and networks. My background is that I have a PhD from Purdue in digital communication and wireless communications, and I've been at various large and small companies, Nokia, Olympus, AT&T, among others. My specialty is wireless and embedded systems. Cary Snyder is an accomplished wireless and digital hardware systems engineer with over 40 years of experience in development, testing, and deployment of various products and network equipment in many different markets and market segments. He's been extensively involved with 3G and 4G industry, and looks like he will be in 5G just as well as the standards. And he's especially known for his system and board and chip level teardown reports and analyses on 3G and 4G equipment. His extensive hands-on experience with base station equipment as well as the associated test equipment is what made him very much sought after design and test engineer. Raghu, who's not here right now, will join us shortly, is a principal architect in the communications business unit at Xilinx. He is currently working on 5G wireless communication systems, in particular baseband, backhaul, and front haul systems, proposing solutions to customers as they transition to 5G. He's a senior member of IEEE, and he has a PhD in wireless communications from the University of California, Los Angeles. His interests are in digital communication and signal processing and architectures for their efficient implementation on FPGAs. Last but not least, Dr. Yogendra Shah, who received his BSc and PhD degrees in electrical engineering from City University, London in 1982 and 1985, respectively. He's worked in wireless industry developing consumer products incorporating wireless technologies from early CT2 digital cordless telephone standards to current generation 3G systems. He's currently a manager in the R&D department at Interdigital, and his research interests are in developing advanced wireless communication systems and wireless security technologies. He's a member of IEEE, and he is a CISSP. He has authored several publications in the area and is an inventor or co-inventor on several U.S. patents, has been awarded the President's and several innovation awards at Interdigital. Just to give an outline of what this tutorial is going to be about, we're focusing obviously on 4.5G to 5G evolution. So we're going to be talking back and forth between 4.5G to 5G deployments and solutions and drivers and so forth. So Yogendra is going to give the business drivers relating to why we're going to 5G, what's needed for 5G, and how that is coming about in the industry. And then Raghu is going to provide the network architecture evolution picture from his perspective. Then Cary is going to present to you some practical deployment considerations, which is very much important in trying to transition from current generation to 5G. Then Yogendra is going to come back and give some security considerations, and I will end with IP and design considerations. And at the end, we'll have some time left for question and answers, hopefully.